I'm about to get shot in the back with 300 rounds from the UTG Model 4 Tactical.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's usually my day off, but I came in to experience the joys of watching someone else be inflicted with pain.
Would you do it for what they're doing it for?
No, I would not. I would do it and take the cash. Or I would do it to get out of work, which is what they're doing. So
they're both nuts, just for a gun.
I'm doing it for a free UTG Model 4 Tactical Airsoft automatic electric rifle. My safety word is bananas.
Bananas?
Bananas.
Alright, buddy.
My name's Dustin, idiot number 1. Some of you may think I'm pretty stupid for taking 300 shots in the back for an airsoft gun. It's made out of complete metal. The wrist interface in the front. Local gun shops use it to put on it their M4 styles of guns. The upper and lower receiver are both complete metal. The charging handle, dust flap are all complete metal. The hop-up is an ABS one-piece plastic hop-up valued at about $30. The gearbox is a version 2 using all metal gears, metal spring guides, metal piston heads, very nice high quality stuff. It's painted black with a silver piston, so you both get a functional piece and it's very stylish. The front sight is completely adjustable. You get a 3-rail sight that simply clamps onto the barrel that allows you to attach your favorite accessories, flashlights, lasers, bipods. It's really the gun that you can truly pimp out. It uses your standard M4 Airsoft magazine, low caps, high caps, you name it. Compatible with all Tokyo Marui upgrade parts. It's definitely a killer thing. Coupled with UTG's wonderful 90-day warranty, which is unparalleled. Their customer service is fantastic. I highly recommend this gun to my friends, my family, and my fellow airsoft players. UTG has really taken the next step in airsoft and brought you one of the best products ever created.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready to go.
My safety word is bananas.
Bananas?
Bananas.
You start screaming bananas, I'll just
Bananas.
shoot.
Bananas.
Alright, buddy.
Alright.
Good luck.
Bananas! Bananas! Stop! Ah!
Was that bananas?
Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch.
Oh!
You got him clear up on the neck.
Be nice, Dustin. Oh, I wish I had gloves. Just don't hit me in the head. We got this gun right here, the UTG M4 Tactical, and we get to split up the scope, the handle, the foregrip, the bipod. It comes with this? Or
Comes with the foregrip.
Comes with the foregrip. We're gonna split up this, and this. It wasn't that bad. Let me.